So this video is gonna help you to go from this to this. And I think we got the basics right. But right now, for me, it looks perfect. Look at this room. It's a completely blank white box. Most people in the tech space spend thousands of dollars on monitors, consoles, and graphic cards. We mostly obsess over refresh rates and pixel density, but then we take all the hardware and we throw it on a cheap desk that makes the space look completely ugly. And then we wonder, why do our backs hurt? Why our wires are a mess the whole time? And most importantly, why do we feel uninspired? So I'm in the process of moving into a new place, and I claim this room to be my workspace, my YouTube studio, and most importantly, my gaming room. So how can I transform this room to make it a 3-in-1 hybrid space? And to pull this off, I couldn't just buy any piece of furniture. I needed to buy something that's a foundation and an engine. Welcome back to TA Tech, and today we're going to build the ultimate hybrid studio from scratch. And every great setup starts with a desk. And for this studio, I partnered up with Vernal to build my foundation. So I just took out the leg of the Vernal desk. I can't tell you how big it is. I can literally do exercise in this. Building this desk was entirely frictionless. It took me 1.5 hours by myself to build it, but I gotta tell you, everything in there is really heavy, so you gotta be prepared to pick stuff up. But putting 1,000 pounds on a desk is a requirement when it comes to build quality. So the top is made of real North American hardwood. It's very sturdy, you did the sitting test already. But the frame is made of thick steel, so there is no way you're breaking that. So as you know, this can be a standing desk, so it can go up and down, and it has the lifting capacity of 160 kilograms or over 350 pounds. So let's test this. Let's see if it can lift me up while sitting on the desk right now. Oh my god, I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna fall. So how it works, it has motors that lift up to 40 millimeters per second. So if you had a cheaper desk, when you typing, the monitor could wobble, but this one is 100% wobble free because of the reinforced frame. But now the foundation is done, let's populate it a little bit. So I added the Vernal shelf right here. And this is an instant upgrade because it will bring your monitors to audible instantly, fixing your posture. And also you have this tray right here to store your cables. On this desk, you're not gonna see a towering PC. This is because I use the ASUS ROG Ally as my main PC. This is gonna help keep my desk clean and tidy. And on the right, I'm going to place my Xbox Series X because there's no setup without gaming. We need to talk about the elephant in the room. When building a tech setup, the most thing that ruins the setup is the waterfall of wires. And to fix this issue, I got the Vernal cable management tray. It basically acts like a gutter. And as you can see, here is the tray. It can house your wire extensions, your power bricks, and everything nice and tidy under the desk so nothing is sticking out. So when you stand back, the desk looks like it's floating and the cables are not visible. So regardless of putting my screen in there, it looks kinda empty. So let's take a trip to IKEA to solve this problem. So going to IKEA as a man is always a task. So I decided to get these 2 white shelves. And as usual, I got lost in there because IKEA is made just like a maze. You can't find anything. And I'm getting one of these pinching boards. I think it's a good idea. Also, a few of these fake plants from IKEA, they always add some personality to the place. And you cannot complete the setup without the IKEA infamous hand. I saw this red lamp as well. I think it would be a great addition to the setup. So now we added also 2 shelves behind me there, but the shock still looks plain. So we're gonna add some stuff to the shelves just to add some accent to the shop. So to make the shop look better, what we added here, we got this plant from IKEA, and then we got the 1957 Barcelona ball, and then we have another plant from IKEA. We have my favorite character there, Master Chief, and then we have Cortana there, 3 plants on the side, We had this red lamp to add some accent to the shot. And then we have the infamous IKEA hand here as well. I had to add this one. So as you can see now, the shot is a little bit more personalized. You can see the plant there and the light making an accent, but it's not done yet. We need to add some light. And it's always a good idea to add a pinching board to your setup. Then you can just hang your stuff on the side and they are very accessible. I also added some LED strip lights to the shelves to make everything pop. At the back of the desk, I also added LED strip lights that I can control with the remote, and I can change the color. The pinching board on the side also got a strip light behind it. And to add more depth into the shot, we added this New York painting on site, courtesy of my brother. So we did use the tray down there to hide all the cables. We have an extension cord right there. Everything is plugged in, nice and tidy. If we go back, you cannot see any of the cables. Okay, for stability test, we have a cup of water that is really full to the top. We're gonna press a button to see how stable it is when it lifts up. And as you can see here, we have no spillage on our Vernal desk. And the reason I chose this desk is because of the standing feature. If you notice, when you sit on the computer for a while doing your work, you feel so much of your energy is just draining out of your body. But with this desk, you can actually prop it up and maybe have a walking treadmill under, or just standing or working will increase your energy levels. Also on the desk controls, I have set my height preset. As you can see here, I have number 3 for standing. The minute I press this, the desk will go up to the height I set up prior. So these are very useful for you to change from standing position to a sitting position with one click. They did also put some safety features into this one, so if it goes up and it's hitting something on your desk, or if it's going down and hitting something under the desk will stop in its place. So at the beginning, if you look at it, it was just a white box, but we took this white box and turned it into the ultimate work setup, at least for myself. It is a YouTube studio that looks professional. It is also a very comfortable, nice workspace, and also it's a very good gaming room. And for me, the star of the show is the Vernal desk. If you want to upgrade the foundation of your workspace, link in the description below. And I'll see you in the next one.